famous quote from the Italian Job: "You're only supposed to blow the bloody doors off." We're not here to blow these doors off. We're here to put something in front of the doors. And there's lots of choices that you can put in front of doors. You can put roller blinds, you can put pleated blinds. These are panel blinds. We don't do this very often, but sometimes they just work perfectly, and in this instance they do. You've got 5 panels of fabric that hang off this 5-channel track here, and what happens is you pull them across the window. One connects to the other, which connects to the other, which connects up to all 5, and then all of a sudden you've got your bifold doors completely covered with fabric. Keeps the warmth in, gives you all your privacy, and it's just another option. We've done a lot of videos about roller blinds. This is only the second video we've done about panel blinds, and we just thought you might want to see it. So they're dead simple. Just a wand that opens the panels one over the other, and all the panels just stack in this corner here, so you've got clear access to the doors. All good.